Hey, sixth graders, welcome to your notes and reading station. In this station, you are going to work as a group to read through the Properties of Waves lesson, and then you are going to work with your group to complete the Cornell notes. So, the first things that you will notice is that there are Properties of Waves lesson right here, and you can click on this to see the PDF and read through each page of this lesson. You can click the next button to scroll through, or you can just scroll down. When you are done working on the notes, or while you're working on the notes, you could split your screen to see the Cornell notes that you will take with it. So if we go back to our folder, our notes are like this. So you could open these in two different screens. You could split your screen and you could do your notes while you are reading through the lesson. If you want to listen to the lesson read to you, you can click on this one, and this will be an audio recording of the lesson for you to listen to. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message, come back to the main group, and we will support you however we can. All right, have fun learning about waves. Bye!